The Bobby and Ollie. In a peaceful forest, a big brown bear named Bobby and a playful otter named Ollie were the best of friends. Every day they met at the riverbank to play and tell stories. One day, when heavy rain, the river flooded and washed away the old wooden bridge they used to cross. Bobby growled, "Now how will we meet?" Ollie looked at the floating logs and said, "Let's build a new one, together." Bobby laughed. "I'm strong, but I don't know how to build." Ollie grinned. "And I may be small, but I have clever ideas." So Bobby carried heavy logs and Ollie carried vines to tie them. They worked all day and helping each other. By sunset, a new bridge stood tall across the river. Bobby smiled. "We did it. Your brains and my strength." Ollie nodded. Teamwork makes anything possible. Moral: when friends work together, even big problems can be solved.